Welcome to the exclusive gated community of Etage, Santa Fe Valley in San Diego. I'm Ariana Schwartz with the Schwartz Realty Group of Keller Williams Realty, and I am so excited to present this stunning, truly unique home with modern farmhouse designer touches throughout. Let's take a look. Within the exclusive Etage community of 100 executive homes, this gorgeous 5-bedroom, 5.5-bath home is ideally situated on a gorgeous 1/3 acre private cul-de-sac lot. Beyond the stunning front facade, the impressive entrance greets you with warm and welcoming natural light, 20-foot vaulted ceilings, and a wraparound cascading staircase. The spacious and flexible floor plan offers formal living and dining room spaces for entertaining, as well as a well-designed gourmet kitchen perfect for gathering. The open concept design features 2 serving islands and effortlessly leads into the family room and breakfast nook. The innovative floor plan design features hidden spaces perfect for a wine cellar, playroom, additional spaces for your choice of a dedicated office, home gym, or anything to suit your individual lifestyle. Flexible living options continue throughout with the convenience of a first-floor bedroom with ensuite full bathroom, 3 additional upstairs bedrooms with attached bathrooms, and a true highlight of the home, the private owner's suite. This luxurious space features a beautiful sitting room and well-appointed spa-inspired bathroom, highlighted by the large soaking tub. This meticulously maintained home has all this and more, including owned solar, a 4-car garage, and a private and tranquil backyard oasis, perfect for enjoying our gorgeous San Diego evenings. Etage is located west of Rancho Bernardo and just east of Rancho Santa Fe, close to both the Forest Ranch and Del Sur town centers that offer something for everyone with a variety of enticing shops, dining, and outdoor cafes. Plus, it's an easy 15-minute drive to the beaches in Del Mar and part of the award-winning Poway Unified School District. You can tour this home online by walking through the 3D virtual tour that can be found at arianaschwartz.com. So whether you're looking to upgrade your home or you're new to the area, look no further, this home has it all. A fantastic location, wonderful community amenities, and a gorgeous move-in ready home. For more information or a private tour, please call our office today.